So hello. Today we gonna keep on tuning. We keep on tuning because winter is already here. Maybe weather not very wintry. But you know, we need to be prepared.
Anyway, today we are going to install this LED bar.
Yes.
This one, brand new from where you buy?
Automaailm, please sponsor us, yes.
Oh, also we bought this DJI filming stand or however it's called. So stick, yes, filming stick.
Showing window, you know.
Something like this, and it's a little bit tricky, you know, the zooming and stuff.
Go show inside, show what little bit done, you know.
Basically, we threw the back seats out because it looks more of a race car, you know, but basically zero performance. Also we installed this little bit wobbly, but this short shifter bought from Stance. Also planning this hydro e-brake install also in a few days. Now we make some adjustments and give you the first look, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
Should be 12 voltage. 12 volts.
So what was our idea?
The idea was to take electricity from these, you know,
The lights that show far, you know.
Yes, exactly, you know. So as you can see, I scraped off a little bit, you know, the protection from the wire. I put a new wire and a little bit, you know, good paste. I don't know what is it called. It's old, really old, but it helps with jootmine really well. So yes, a little bit there. Then we come here. It is really like doing art, you know. You need to have the, you know, a little touch, you know, little touch. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Nice.
Something like this. So now we have a positive coming through here. And basically it will go to LED bar then. And now grab negative also. I think we grab it from the frame, not from
It's
here.
easier.
Yes, it's much easier. And then we don't have to cut the wire, you know. And so there would be no issue for sure. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so basically, you know, we already done, basically. Maybe
Yes.
a little bit drilling needed afterwards, but, you know, really good, I say, really good.
These bolts are too short.
Too short, yes.
And that causes us a problem.
Okay, we find new bolts. Yes. We took ground from there. We did a little bit, you know, from here, you know. Opa! Yes.
Jep.
Mis asja, no?
Kuidas nagu nii perse saime? Oota, aga praegu nüüd. Ikka ei lähe.
Mida me teeme?
Oot.
You know, I have a solution.
So basically, the hood would not close. So we came up with a solution that we put, I don't know what they are, but some kind of made a bracket basically.
Yeah,
so
for building, these are for building, you know.
Yes. So yes, put two of these brackets here, and before the LED was also a little bit, or the LED bar was like little bit to this side.
Yes.
So it was like this, not straight. So because the hole size that they had,
Still maybe a little bit.
yes, but
it's
basically
okay.
straight. So now good, you know. Now nice. So now we go testing, yes? Yes, we go test. And actually, now we can close the hood. We can open the hood. Really nice. And look at this film here. Look. You see the space. Can you see the space? That's crazy.
Really perfect.
So this is the
Normal lights.
Yes.
Normal lights, you know.
the lights that show basically on
Daylights.
yes, daylights.
And now we put, you know, pow.
Wait,
Pow nagu.
and off and
You
on.
can see on the sides, really nice nagu.
Yes.
On camera maybe not you see the difference that much, but in car
In real life it's
it's really good nagu.
yes. But what we say to the end of the video?
At the end of the video we say that it was great success. Next time we do this one, we finish this one. Next one.
The hydro. We need
Yes.
to connect the lines
Yes.
and then bleed the brake and then it should be good.
And then we must hope that winter snow, that snow will come, because you know, what is this weather? What is this? It's rainy. It's December. What the fuck?
And I think in the next episode my Sparko seat will arrive and some strut bars or something like that,
Yes.
and we are going to install them also.
So many power. That car not going anywhere, you know.
But yes, and like, subscribe, comment, share, and
We are running. We are flying.
see you in the next bit.